It's been a whole minute since I've posted, and guess what? I don't feel guilty at all, not even a little bit. I took time to be with my family, work on myself, and most importantly, not think about posting on YouTube. And let me tell you, that was just as delicious as these here gizzards. So with that being said, welcome back to What's in Your Skillet. I didn't have to worry about setting up a camera angles, fighting for storage on my weak-ass iPhone 8 that's holding on by faith, editing 30 minutes of footage down to 3 minutes because apparently our attention spans are now measured in TikTok scrolls, and voiceovers that, let's be honest, half of y'all don't even listen to. Just peace, serenity, and freedom. But now every now and then I'd hop back on the app and immediately remember why I needed the break. Because damn, why are we still having the dumbest preference-based conversations known to man? Dating, cooking oils, music, clothing, veganism. Like, bro, are we okay? Do y'all understand how much more productive we could be as a society if we weren't arguing over avocado oil and canola oil like it's a personality trait? Not everyone can afford the same things you can for you and yours. The powers that be have done a fantabulous job at keeping us divided and seemingly putting one group above another. Oh, I don't like that group. I could never date that person. Oh, you believe that? Ew. You listen to them? Guess we're not friends anymore. Over what, Susan? And some of y'all on these interwebs are 40 plus, sounding like actual teenagers. Graduation may have happened already, but mentally, we all ain't make it. I'm speaking about this mean girl sports jock mentality grown adults are bringing into conversations. Too old to be acting like this, too loud to be this wrong. Now, to be fair, I'm not innocent. I've had to sit with myself and admit, oh, I'm part of the problem too. And I'm trying to get better in my own circles. But then I step back into society and realize, whew, one person's growth is not enough when division is being force-fed to us online daily. So let's talk about AI real quick, because it's not making things any better. It's making echo chambers louder. Some of y'all think y'all are well-informed when really you're just being spiritually copied and pasted. That's not being well-rounded. That's how cult behavior starts. And before you say, well, I don't even do politics, let me stop you right there. Cult followings are everywhere. Streamers, celebrities, foods, cars, holidays, even home decorations. If you've ever said, I could never associate with someone who acts like this, congratulations, you're in the meeting. Biggest takeaway, don't be a cult member. Be an individual. Understand that your individuality is what makes society move forward. But that only works when we allow others the same freedom. Being different, but still able to come together, talk like adults, and work toward a common goal. Not grown people throwing tantrums like toddlers fighting over blocks. So please, do me a favor. Unclench, touch some grass, maybe drink some water. Do both. And stop letting the internet tell you who you're supposed to hate this week. Think for yourself. Be normal. And that's just a little food for your skillet.